So I've done a large study exploring public attitudes towards genomic data sharing. So what do the public know about genetics, genomics? What do they want from the technology? Are they willing for their data to be used in the whole personalised medicine initiative? So we've got data from just under 10,000 people, so representative sample from the UK, from the USA, from Canada and Australia. And we've also had our survey translated into 14 other languages, so we'll be recruiting in Polish, German, Portuguese, French, Spanish, Urdu, Hindi, Icelandic, Swedish, Zulu, Japanese and Arabic. So we're going for representative publics. So we've used market research companies to identify people to ask. So yeah, representative. So I'm going to be reporting the findings from the English-speaking people, and we found that basically they don't know anything really about DNA genetics and genomics. So when we ask them, are you familiar with this topic? Most people say no. And those that do know something about it know through their work or through their personal family history or through popular culture. That's the other place that people get their knowledge and understanding and awareness from. So that's kind of interesting. So it just sort of says that what we're experiencing and what we're exposed to outside is actually influencing what we think about the subject. We asked people to tell us if they were happy for their data to be shared online and used in research, in both non-profit and for-profit research, and also to be used by clinicians in a healthcare setting to help a diagnosis for somebody else. And we found that some people are happy with that idea, but are actually a little bit suspicious. On the whole, people are quite suspicious about that. So less than half of the sample that we recruited said they would be happy for their data to be used in that way. And people were the most suspicious about the for-profit big pharma companies accessing their data. So people were saying things like, well, why would I donate my data if a pharmaceutical company will make money from it and I won't have any direct benefit? They may make medicines that I can't then afford. So there needs to be some sort of reciprocal kind of arrangement there. Well, I mean, what was really striking about this work was that people are interested when you start to tell them what it's all about, but we need to do so much more engagement to bring them up to speed. And I keep hearing about the need to educate people and to improve health literacy. And actually, you know, how we do that is really, really important. Educating people is actually, well, we know that really doesn't work with the broader public. We need to find more sociable ways to help them connect to this. And actually, the finding that people are already getting awareness from popular culture makes me wonder whether we could use popular culture as a sort of way of building metaphors and memes and imagery around this whole industry so that we can then increase engagement that way. So we've been doing some work with the advertising industry and storytellers who are really good at getting very simple messages about what genomics is about to the broader public. And that work has also been measured and evaluated and rated quite highly.